Friends, now we will find out the relation between the EMF and the terminal potential difference of a cell. So let us consider the two situations. This is the battery of EMF E and it is connected with a voltmeter. This is the internal resistance of the cell, open switch, external resistance. Okay. And the same circuit is here, but here the circuit is closed. So here we will see in the first situation. In the first situation, when the circuit is open, so what will happen? V is equal to E. As the no current is flowing, so terminal potential difference of a cell is equal to EMF of the cell. In the second situation, when the circuit is closed, key is closed, what will happen? The current will flow. In closed circuit, what will happen? When the key is closed, the current will flow. And now the voltmeter reads less than the EMF of the cell by IR. So V is equal to E minus I into R. ठीक है, यहाँ भी देख सकते हैं कैसे, अगर सर्किट में कोई करंट फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है, ओपन सर्किट में, इफ I इज इक्वल टू 0, दिस मीन्स V इज इक्वल टू E. ठीक है, नहीं समझ में आया तो अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो इसके लिए हम दूसरा मेथड भी यूज कर सकते हैं. लेट अस सपोज एक बैटरी है, ये इसका इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस है. ठीक है, ये करंट I फ्लो हो रहा है. बैटरी, इट्स इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस, ठीक है, स्मॉल r, and now the current, suppose circuit is completed, the current is I is flowing. Okay, so let us consider the 2 points A. This is the point B and this is the point C. Now the potential difference between the point A and B, potential difference between the point A and B. ठीक है, now we are finding the potential difference between the point A and B. So can we write like this? VA minus VC plus VC minus VB. Okay, so VA minus VC minus VB minus VC. Okay, can we write like this? So VA minus VC, this is equal to E, the terminal potential difference, sorry, VA minus VC, that is the EMF of the cell, minus VB minus VC. So here the current I is coming out and it is entering the I. So the potential difference across this internal resistance is I into R. So this is the relationship, or we can say that terminal potential difference V is equal to E minus I into R. Okay. Now we have to see the important graphs which are asked in the exam. EMF of a cell is independent of the external resistance. See, if we plot the graph between EMF of a cell and external resistance, we will find that EMF is independent of the external resistance. External resistance बढ़ाने से घटाने से EMF पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Second part is, we know that V is equal to E minus IR. Now the graph is plotted between EMF and external resistance. So V is equal to E minus I is how much? V upon R. ठीक है. So if we bring the here, so what will happen? V is equal to 1 plus R upon R. So V is equal to E upon 1 plus R upon R. So from here it is found that as the R increases, V also increases. लेकिन डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल नहीं होगा, लेकिन इंक्रीज होगा. देखो ऐसे इंक्रीज होगा. ठीक है, लेकिन जब रेजिस्टेंस अगर इनफाइनाइट हो जाएगा, एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस इज मेड इनफाइनाइट, सो V is equal to E. ग्राफ कुछ ऐसा है. Okay, now the third part is that V is equal to E minus I into R. So V is equal to E minus so can we write like this, minus R plus E. So here as the current increases, as the current will increase, so what will happen, V will decrease. See from this minus I into R. So if the current increases, the voltage will decrease. So if we compare this equation with the y is equal to minus mx plus c, so m is the slope, that is minus I, and on y axis the voltage. So what we will observe that the graph is of decreasing nature. Okay, so these are the three graphs which is sometimes asked in the 2 marks question in the CBSE board exam. Okay, and this relation either you do through this method or through this method. This is also another method to derive the relationship between the voltage and the EMF. V is equal to E minus IR. Here this is the condition for discharging. When the current is, as the circuit is closed, now the current is discharged, so the terminal potential difference will decrease. Okay, now what will happen if it is charged? So in the case of the charging, what will happen, the direction of the current is reversed. So in the case of the charging, what will happen, this equation will get modified in the form of V is equal to E minus IR, because now the direction of the current is, see, if this is your charger which is charging the cell battery. Okay, so what will happen, this will send the current in this way. So now here the direction of the current is reversed, so V is equal to E plus IR. So this is the case of charging and this is the case for the discharging. Okay, thank you.